Yo, guess what? We are in the final day of the 7 days of striking a pose. Today, I've been inspired by modeling. I'm no model though, so I had to Google some stuff and find some poses, which was quite fun actually. So that's what we're gonna be doing today, striking a model pose. In today's low intensity interval training, where we strike one in 45 seconds, rest in 15 for 5 rounds. All right, let's do some modeling in minutes. Beginning modeling in 15 seconds, we're gonna be doing that I got inspired by Zoolander, the blue steel. So we're gonna look back and look forward and put our hand on our chin with a tick sign. And we're gonna do the same on the other side. And look back, hand on chin and look forward. And do the same on the other side. The more you bend your knees, the more of a workout you will get. We're halfway there. Ten more seconds. 3, 2, 1. Okay, now we're gonna put our hand on our head, hand on our hip, and look like so. We're gonna slightly bend our left leg, left hand, and do the same on the other side. Starting with the right side. As if we're trying to hold on a hat. This is what I would imagine modeling would be like. It's all about repetition. Halfway there. Ten more seconds. 3, 2, 1. All right, we're gonna do the sit back now. So we're gonna turn our body, sit on the right side, and put our hands like this, like so. In 3, 2, 1, turn your hip, sit back, and put your hands to your side. And do the same on the left side. You can do it nice and slow if you like. Remembering to breathe, remember. Oh my gosh. A little bit past the halfway point now. Oh, I lost count there. 10 more seconds. 3, 2, 1. Now we're gonna do the look back. So I'm gonna face the wall for this one. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna look back and nod my head. And do the same on the other side. And 3, 2, 1. Look back, nod your head. Face the back, or the front. Look back, shake your head. Hands on hips. Oh, 15 seconds to go. Five more. 2, 1. Great. The final one is we're gonna do the hair flick. So we're gonna put our right foot forward and flick our hair like so. Left foot forward, flick your hair like so. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Right foot forward, flick your hair and look at the camera. Do the same on the other side. If you don't have any hair though, That's all right, just pretend you do. And we're halfway there. Ten more seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. All done. That was probably the poorest example of modeling poses, but I tried my best and I hope you did as well. I enjoyed it quite a lot. Being a modeling person must be quite hard. Hit the like button if you enjoyed that. If you don't, that's okay. You don't have to touch it either. Leave in the comments below about any other poses you would like to suggest in the future. We might be doing it somewhere else, in the studio, who knows? I'm just doing this in my bedroom right now. Okay, hit the subscribe button for more future workouts. And if you feel like you can do more, check out my other videos on my channel. All right, I'll see you all in the next week. Bye. Or tomorrow, actually.